Did that work? Let's see. Do do do. I should be live, and I'm just gonna double check because let's see. Make sure I have sound. And I have the wrong website on here. I should be live, and I should be live. Cool. Let me change that. You're just gonna go to learnwithjenny.com today if you want anything. So make sure I can see comments over here. Okay. So I had to take my last dose for the day, get my hydration on. And I think my microphone's working. Yeah, I double checked. Okay. But I do need to change this, right? So let's see here. Where is that? It's not this one. I have too many templates in here. Right here, I think. Yep, there it is. We'll just take that out and put that in. Boom. Okay. I'm just going to get to work here. But anyway, what I'm doing is I want to finish my ebook. And I'm doing it live because I had some people who had questions about using Canva. So let's hear. Well, whenever I'm looking at a screen, I always look around, like at what's on the screen first, especially if I'm learning something new. So always look around, like here is a create design button. This G button is my identity evidently. And then you could create groups over here or manage more than one account if you are a social media person, service provider or whatever. I forgot what they're called. If I don't have the right words, then just bear with me. Anyway, and then there's all kinds of things that it's telling you here to try. And I would encourage you to play with them and find what you're looking for. If you can't, there's so many things. This is what everybody gets confused about is there's just so many things to pick from, right? There's so many things on the screen. So you kind of go, well, I don't know what to do. And then you just quit right there, right? So if you're trying to create, let's say you want to make a Facebook post, what I do is I don't even look for, I just search for what I'm looking for. And then it tells me Facebook cover, Facebook post, Facebook ads, stuff like that, right? Now I have something if you're looking for something you were working on, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm just going to scroll down. It says recent designs. There's all these things I was playing with. And there is my book. So I'm going to go into it. And let's finish it, okay? The ultimate list of home business apps. Let's go all the way down because I got down to 35, right? Is that where I was at? And this is tiny, so I'm going to have to zoom in. Shortcut keys on the keyboard for if you're using Windows, you can use your scroll thing. I'm using control and like rolling the scroll button on my mouse. Otherwise, you could do control plus. That also zooms in, or control minus. That zooms out. If you want to use any shortcut keys to zoom in and out, if you're blind like me and need to see better, right? So, are you not seeing this screen? I don't think you are. Or is my little thing behind? Let me look. You're not seeing my screen. Let me change this real quick. I'm gonna hide this and get a different shared screen. I think I might be able to share the entire screen or the window. Oh, I see. It opened another tab. There. Now you should be able, if I show it, you should be able to see it. Okay, there we go. So this is the ebook I'm working on. And that's I was zooming in and out. I described to you. So let me check my links on this last page here. Oh, good. I think these are all done. So there's my scheduling one. This is for texting. This is for sending cards. And then, oh no, I did keep going. Okay, cool. So the last one I did was a VPN that I use. Let's just line these up a little bit. Now to move things around, you notice that there's a purple line around everything when I click on it. Whoops. I'm making sure you can still see it. Okay, yeah. So I have those two things selected, which means I could move them both at the same time. But I actually want to move more. So I'm going to hold the shift key on my keyboard and I'm going to tap on this one too so that all three of these are purple. And then I'm going to hold down the mouse button on it and drag down. So that makes me able to drag them all at the same time. So I was working on this at a hotel and I was connected to a public Wi-Fi. So I wanted to make sure that I had private VPN on. Let's see. Good. Okay, I'm going to look at my list. I'm using an ebook template, so there's a lot of pages in here I'm probably not going to use. I'll show you how to delete those too. And I do encourage you to work from templates. Now, I just have to look at my list here that I wrote down when I was brainstorming all the ideas. Where is my list? Do you have, that's my next question, do you have an idea book? There you go. So here's all my ideas. Okay, did I put all the AI thingies in there? Let's go look. I'm going to do a search. If you want to look for words in your document that you're working on, the shortcut key on your keyboard is Control F. So I'm going to do that, Control F, and I'm going to look for chat. Oh, it looks like maybe I did. Let's see here. I got Chat GPT, Bing. And okay, I do. I have all those AI things in here. Cool. I may have all my stuff on here already. Did we put... let's look for a link tree. I think it's under here. Yep, I did. Okay, I put those on here. Cool. What else? Google Docs and emails. Okay, cool. Did I do Google Keep? How about Sheet? Like spreadsheets and stuff. Okay, I think I did most of the stuff on here. I might just need to publish it. I can always add to it later if something comes up on my list. Oh, I know. There was one place I was going to look. One sec. Make sure you drop your questions because I can help you live next time. And, you know, I was thinking about going live on TikTok at the same time. Maybe I'll do that in a minute. Okay, I want to look for something here because I did have another list in my Google Docs that I had started a long time ago. Let's see here. Tech stack right here is what I called it. Is there anything on here I wanted to add? Oh, Stripe for payment plans. Stripe, let's do that. Okay, so let's go to my ultimate list. And you know what? I need another page. So I'm just going to duplicate this page because I was going every other page with a different color scheme. So I'm going to duplicate this page and then I'm going to move it down. So you see at the top of the page here, there's some arrows. And if I point to them, it tells me what they do. I'm going to move it down. So it goes after that. And this will be 36, 37. And this one, Stripe. And that will be a link. If I'm going too fast, just tell me, but I'll explain that as I go. I highlighted the word by double clicking it so that it was blue. And then what popped up is this little thing with this little chain link on it. And that little chain link is a link. So I can insert the link by tapping it and then pasting the URL in there. So that is that. And this is for accepting payments online. It can connect to lots of other apps and software packages. I happen to have it connected to Digital Mentors, where my courses are. I also set up monthly payments. Oops. In there. Click here. I'm going to highlight that. Tap the link and put the link in there too. Just pressed enter after I copied it in there. Okay. And since I'm talking about finances, let's go grab where I track all my expenses and stuff. You know what? I think I might have the link in one of my documents, so I'm going to go grab it. There's a little trick for you. I keep a document full of my links. Oops. Links. My links. Might not be in here. I might not have even shared it with anybody. It's called Hurdler, by the way. And the reason why I got it was because my accountant uses it, and it's easy for me to share my stuff with her. But I think I have my link somewhere. HURDLR. Well, let me log in and see. Are you still there? Okay, just checking. What is my login? Oh, I see. I'm in the wrong browser. That's why. Now, when you get all geeky, you might have too many tabs open, right? Let's see here. I'm just looking for the right link. Maybe I don't have one. Okay, I'll just stuff it in there. It's not that big a deal. Taking too long. See, if something takes too long, move on, right? So this is called HURDLR, right? HURDLR. And I do have a link on my clipboard, so I'm going to highlight it, click the link, paste it in. I use this to track expenses. Guess what? It links to Stripe. And my business credit card. So it's easy to categorize everything instead of using a spreadsheet, which I have used. And I still use spreadsheets for lots of things. Okay, click here. I want to highlight that. Actually, I don't want this all to, it looks like this all might be a link. So I'm just going to select it all by pressing Control A, tap the link and delete the link that's in there. Might need to check my, whoops. Let me try that again. Control A, link, delete, remove. Okay, now I'm going to highlight the words click here and put the link in there. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go look at the rest of my list and see if there's anything else I wanted to add. Oh, Trello is a good one. Trello. So let's go over there and add that. This would be number 38. Trello. I don't use it a lot, but it is fun to use it to share with. Let me go grab a link. I think it's just Trello.com, honestly. To share resources with your team. It's kind of like, what would you compare it to? It's like having boards to organize things on. Like you have a board for your graphics for your fitness app, or you have another board where you're sharing resources with your team to post on social media, or maybe videos that you're making together, stuff like that. You can organize it by project that you're all working on and just share those projects with certain team members. So it's kind of, it's for organizing your projects and organizing your stuff that you're sharing. So now that I described it like that, let's, this app is a big board to organize things on. Projects on and share with team members. Oh, that's best I can describe it. Tasks, teammates, and tools is the way it describes itself. Anyway, I don't want that whole thing to be a link. I'm going to Control A and remove whatever's in there from being copied and pasted. I'm going to select the words click here, add my link. Cool. What else is on my list? Let's go look. I don't use it a lot. Oh, let's see. This is a good one. Let's see. I just did 38, right? So let's do 39. I need the link. So select it, link, paste it in. I use this one to find out what people are searching for using search engines. Google. Well, I'll just say on search engines, right? Search engines like Google. It's to find ideas on your topic for your content. Click here. I'm going to highlight that, put the link in there. Okay. What else is on my list? Let's go look. I should be almost done with this list. It's long. I don't use any of those. Cool. I think I got it. I don't have another number to put in here. I'm just going to delete these boxes. And then I'm going to delete all these extra pages. So let's see here. I think I can go to grid view. Yes, I can. Select multiple pages because I don't need any of these pages. I'm just going to delete them all but the last one, I think. So I'm holding the shift key. I tapped the first page and the last page. They're all highlighted. See all those purple ones? So now I can delete all those pages. Cool. And then let's edit the last page. Oh, I want to edit this. Why won't it? What's going on here? There we go. I want you to be efficient. Pick your favorite apps. Learn to use them and save time. If you need help, you can schedule something with me here. And that would be right there, I believe. Yep. Link here. Boom. Email me or text me with any tasks or ideas you could use an app for. There's an app for almost anything you can think of. Okay, so then I'm going to put my email in here. Actually, I want to put capital letters. It's either, I'll make it smaller. So when you're trying to adjust text boxes, there's all these arrows around. If you point at them and it turns into a double pointing arrow, that's when you click and drag. And I want to make it smaller. So I'm just going to decrease the size here. And then I'm going to add my phone number for texting. I think we need a space in there, right? And then I think I need to move it up a little bit. Cool. I think that's it. I'm Okay. I'm going to put this into a PDF. I want to download it, PDF. And yep, I just wanted to make sure I had the name right. Cool. So I'll be sharing that with my list then. And I'll be updating my homepage to have that in there. So now let's go back home because my friend was asking me about creating. You know what? I should fix that. That's okay. Okay, so that's downloaded. Let's go over here and create a new design. And we want to create a Facebook cover because that is what my friend needed to see. And now I got to check my share screen here. Yep, I got to redo it. So let me click it real quick. Redo it. Share. Facebook cover right here. Boom. And then I just got to show it. Cool. Okay. So my design, you know what? I could use the exact same template again. This is what I used in the one that I have right now. So I could use that one or I could use a different one. I mean, you can pick any one you want. Maybe something like this. Download the ultimate list of home business apps now. Now, your profile picture is going to be over here. So you're going to want the words to be, I'm just moving that guy out of the way. I want to move these up. And I also want this to be a little bit more visible. I think I'm going to right align it like that. And I'm going to add an outline to that. Not blurry gray. Let's try black. That's a little better. I think I should change the font though. I think the font should be, nope, that's ugly. Nope, don't like that one either. I want something. My favorite in Stencil, which is another graphics program I like to use, is Impact. Maybe it's in here. It is. Yeah, why not? Okay, now I want an arrow. So remember I told you in the very beginning of this video that you look at your screen, right? So on the left side of the screen, I'm seeing all the tools. And then there's more down here if I wanted to scroll down. These are add-ons that I added, you know, like removing the background and stuff like that. And then these are photos right here that I've uploaded. But what I want is an arrow. So, because I want people to click on the picture and then grab my link and put their email in, right? So I'm going to, oh, actually, I don't have to search for it. It says right there, arrow. Let's grab one of these graphics arrows. Animation does not work on Facebook. I played with it with a client once, and then we discovered that Facebook had taken all that animation away. So it's not possible to do that anymore. I want it to be white to match the font color. I don't know if I like that arrow. I need to grab a different one. Arrow. See all arrows. Let me see. Maybe just a fat one like that. It's definitely more obvious. I'll make it a little smaller. There. That's good enough for me. Um, Now I think the sizing might be a little bit off, but let's go find out, okay? Because it's just what I was talking to my friend about. We were talking about, well, oh, it did change the name right here. Okay, I was just checking. Okay, so I'm going to download it. And I also need to change some of the wording on my page, but I'm running out of time. So I'm going to just tell people to put their email in my website for now. Okay, so let's go do that. I hope you found that helpful. Oh, I'm not logged in, really? One sec. Let's go over here. Well, I guess it's good that it logged me out, but I do have multi-factor set up, so I'm going to have to grab my phone and wait for the code. Hopefully it comes soon. I'm waiting for my code. Well, you know what? I might be able to find it in Facebook notifications too. Oh, I need my code. Code. Nope. Well, I might not be able to change it right now. Might have to wait for Facebook to send me a code. Need another way? Let me click it. Text me a login code. Yes, please. Check your phone. Oh, here it comes. You do want multi-factor setup. I know it's a pain in the butt, but you don't want people hacking into all your accounts everywhere. There we go. Do not save. There we go. Okay, so let me bring you this screen where I'm logged in. Okay, here we go. Screen share. I want this. Share. Show. Okay, we're almost done. Edit cover photo. Upload. And this would be in my downloads. So it is a little bit off. No big deal though. I'm just going to move it down. So looking at this, if you wanted to change it up a little bit, all you had to do was make it a little bit smaller, right? So let's grab a different share screen here. I think I can. Yeah, I can do that. This right here. So if I go in here, find the recent design. I think if I refresh it, it'll pop up. There it is. I can edit it, and I got to switch your screen again, don't I? Oh, I see. You weren't looking at it anyway. I was sharing the wrong screen. Oh, right here? Is that it? That one. Show, hide. Okay, so if I was gonna edit it, oh, let me switch this up. There we go. So that this little guy pops up, I could resize it and find something that is a little bit closer. Since oh, it might be this one. Let's try it. You can copy and resize it. And you might have to play around. I don't know. I resized it and it made a new window there. Let me try. Oh. Let's see what that looks like. Download it. Download. And then we'll switch screens again on you now that it's downloading. And I will go back to my Facebook page. Well, that was my Facebook page right there. Okay, well, I resized it. Let's see what happens. I'm going to cancel this. Edit it. Edit my profile, cover photo. I don't want to select it. I'm sorry. I want to upload it. See what that one looks like. Anyway, yeah, that fits a little bit better. I might have to switch the words around a little bit. I think I'm just going to reposition it. You just have to play it around with it until you get it the way you want. And sometimes what I'll do is I'll just like move things around. And when it's done the way I want, then I'm done, right? Okay, so I'm just going to put here, go here, and put your email in. I'll send you my ultimate list of home business apps. Oops. Learn with, it's just my website. All right. I will finish editing my page later, but hopefully that helps you when you're using Canva to make your Facebook stuff. So let me know if you have any questions. And next time I come on, I'm going to do this weekly where I'll go in and either work live with you or just show you how to do something. So there's lots of things I know how to do. So if there's something you're looking for in particular, email me, text me, or message me or whatever, or leave me a comment, and I will make sure to get it. I'm going to finish drinking my hydration and get supper ready for my boys. Make it a great day. I'll see you next time.